Koyari here, and that is the sheer quality we were talking about. And he can score in almost every game. So back again.
I have to completely agree with you on that occasion, Henry, that they've let them into this game. Nonetheless, here's a chance now for Ajare. Ajare gets the chance, and Ajare never...
His quickness, his sharpness, and then exactly that he created. He's going to create more goals for his team. He was...
Keeps in play, keeping possession. BODOLAND. A lovely cross. That could have gone in! And it is! The Colombians curse. Robinson, high press. And they ultimately being rewarded through this Colombian. Scoreline changes. Kabi Anglong, Morningstar Football Club 1, BODOLAND FC 2.
Stand that.
Here's Ajare, wonderful 1-2. Here's Jithan MS, has the opportunity, gets past the goalkeeper. He's only got two in front of him, and it's gone back to very nearly made a mess of it. But Ajare has done exactly what he did a few minutes back. Grabbed the second for North East United Football Club.
Fantastic piece of work over there. The build-up was good. They found the gap very well. And look at Jithan. Can that be one quality pass?
Can this bring a surprise? And Robinson finds the target. Deadlock broken. From Pedro. And the dynamic duo combines to break the deadlock. Games for the Colombian. A colossal header, getting the better of his marker.
In front of him, he's going to take him on. That's not even a question. Of course he's going to take him on. This time he goes for the shot. And boy, oh boy, is that a way to...
Good. Nixon really puts that long diagonal ball to Ajare, who brings that ball down pretty well. If you look at that replay, it will be delightful to see that.
30 goals so far from 35 games. Could be the 121th. And here it is. It arrives in style. He's made amends of that previous chance.
An absolute plate. And Timothy, from even closer than the chance he just missed moments earlier, makes absolutely no mistake. I think it's just skipped off of his hand in moments earlier, and to get your first goal of...
Here is Andy, lovely ball threaded through, perfectly weighted. And the man who cannot stop scoring scores once against Shillong Lejong. 4 goals in the tournament, and his wonderful goal-scoring record just keeps getting better and better. North East lead by a 1-0.
The provider turns the goal scorer, drilled into the bottom corner. The man from Spain with an area even the best goalkeepers can't get there, even though he did judge it right, but he increased the pace on the ball. Pedro, unfazed under pressure.
But here they come again on the turn. Oh, they've retaken the lead. Who is it? I don't need for that. North East United was back level for just a couple of minutes. The Jares put them back in front 2-1.
BODOLAND sides, the rotation of their midfield three at the times when...
And a clever release through the legs. They rush into...
Ending with a player who's started on the left wing, and this is exactly what we're talking about his movement. You know, forward drops short, and he fills the space of Robinson, and he finished it as...
Second appearance in this season's competition up against Mesham. Here is Beke to make it 1-0 to North East United and rolls it into the bottom corner. The keeper guessed celebrates a goal in the Durand Cup and puts North East United in front by a 1-0 today with a penalty shootout.
Oh, delivered towards the far post. Back into the mix. It has gone in. Goal number 4 for BODOLAND FC. The centre-back this time, Abdul Samad.
Himself in goal-scoring position. Once again, Lopez with the corner keeper punching it away. But in these conditions, all you have to do is hit it into a dangerous area. That's exactly what he did. Just put it back into the danger. He's Mr. Consistent for BODOLAND.
Chemin Yunez. Biakdika. Baletta and Hyro. It's a brilliant move! Hyro scores, wonderful!
There, close control there by Hyro, even a better finish. And that's what this man does, that's what Aladdin Ajare does here. Ball played in, look at that, Hyro leaves the ball in Ajare with the perfect time, beautifully timed. And
As the clock fades away, one team cries in delight, whilst the other in shadows of dismay. Bodoland FC secure their passage.